Stop overthinking and just go to the car meet. In our modern era of the car scene, there's a million excuses that we give ourselves to skip out on car meets. Maybe you've already seen it all, or think nothing special is going to be there, or you don't have any of your friends going. Maybe you see a low attendance count online that discourages you from going. Maybe you don't have a cool car, maybe it's dirty and you need to wash it first. Or maybe you're scared that it's even going to get shut down. Very valid. But if you listen to one piece of advice that I give you, it's that you should just ignore all that and go to the meet if you're thinking about it. I've been in a pretty down mood in recent months, and just leaving the house to meet up with these random car enthusiasts, chatting, learning, and growing within this grassroots community has really helped me mentally and is able to help me pull away from the regular nonsense that we as humans have to deal with. So if you're second guessing it, just go. I promise it'll be a good time and you'll have a new experience to share. Just this meet, I learned that there's this super shady company selling a performance chip that promises gains of up to 35 horsepower and up to 5 miles per gallon just by plugging into your mass airflow sensor. Also, Deng and I got really into building Gunpla. This is a master grade RX-78. Okay, enjoy the vlog. What's good, everyone? It's Matt. Today, we are taking the Veloster in. Donis, you guys met him in the last meet. He has the blue 350Z. He hit me up in the last hour or so and he was like, you wanna hit up a meet? And I'm like, sure. Car's dirty, but don't really care. I haven't been to a meet in probably like a month, so excited to kind of get out and just go out and do things. I've been in a little bit of a rut personally and mentally, but we're working our way through it. And yeah, we have our cars to enjoy myself. So we're gonna enjoy ourselves. So hope you guys enjoy the meet. I'm gonna take you guys along. See you there. It has been way too hot in Texas lately, like 90 something degrees. This part of why I haven't been going out much, burning hot. There's a cool car here, let's get a roller. We have arrived to the meet, but many people are looking at the Veloster right now and staring at me, so.
I wondered if this guy was turbo. I do. It does. Fender English. How you doing? What's up, man? How's it going? Thank you for coming out. What's up? What's up? That's for the premium spot. Hey! Where is Durham? Durham? Durham?
Yo, this car's sick, man. It's nice seeing you rolling around on the road.
I appreciate
yeah,
you,
slug, man. I love it. guys know that the Veloster R spec is rarer than the Veloster N? Looks nice. Rare. Yeah, that car, Veloster R, more rare than the Veloster N. But they sure do look good next to each other. I've never seen them next to each other yet. It's funny, as a couple, they own a Veloster and a 350Z. What's good, brother? How you doing, man? Looks good, man.
Yeah, thank you. I
Yeah.
just gotta get some new ground shoes.
I know. I was like, hey, I got my old ones. Yeah, I know.
Every time I see it.
Oh, it looks nice. There's some crazy stuff here already. TRD.
I tried to get his in check with it.
Yeah.
It was an odd.
That's a carbon fiber hood too. That's really nice. Yeah. Yeah, you got all plans afterwards?
Not really.
Okay.
What you gonna get into after?
Just watching fights.
Watching fights?
Yeah.
Who's the main event tonight?
Main event today, Derek Lewis versus Taliesin Teixeira.
Okay.
Yeah. I really like this color and everything.
That helps. Like whenever I got a problem with my car, like I don't gotta always take this problem. Oh. Like he was like, we got. I know you want it, but we gotta. Every time I see him, he's like. People will get the autos and then they'll just swap them.
This is such a nice Type R. I could look at this all day, man. I don't know. It could be. It could be. SIR, bro. Rare. These are all rare as hell. Oh, these two.
Because I have, there's this white guy, this white dude.
My G.
And he has one exactly like this.
Do these ever come in manual? Do you know?
Yes, they do.
Damn, that would be crazy.
They do.
I'm sure you could swap it with a like different model too, right? Or no?
Yeah, you probably could.
Yeah.
Could.
US wagon, bro. Look at this sign, this badge, and this Honda of America. Sheesh. Wow. Right-hand drive too.
Bro, got some pretty interior in this one, bro.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, dude. Yeah, I would definitely cruise around in this.
That'd be a nice daily.
Heck yeah. Oh, definitely.
I like this car, but this dude's sitting inside of it, man.
Bro, are these things boosted? Is that boosted?
This thing? I don't know. He was revving it for me when I got here. He's telling me, he's like, bro, I got an air leak somewhere. I'm like, I'm not trying to diagnose your issue here, bro. And he just starts revving like, zoom, zoom, zoom. Dude, what is it? What is this?
That's the first time I've ever seen that.
Yeah, I don't know what this is.
Bro.
See, people that get black wheels will kind of die by it too a little bit.
And that's why I'm like, this is my first. These are my first. So.
Yeah.
How you doing?
That's my N. Veloster. Yeah.
Can I detail it?
There's a mobile detailing setup at the meet. It's pretty sick. JX Auto Lab on Instagram for mobile detailing, by the way. How much did you say that tank is in gallons?
65 gallons, 542.2 pounds
Jeez.
of water when it's full.
That's a lot.
So it's probably about like maybe 370.
How many details does that tank get you?
It really depends on the vehicle because a vehicle like this
Yeah,
is
like a
gonna take,
smaller one, I
a
guess.
vehicle like this is going to take like all of this water.
Yeah.
But like this, if it's like the Civic, I could do 3 Civics. So
Yeah.
that'd probably be maybe 7 cars, 5, 6, 7 cars.
Yeah, on hot days you have to like split them
But
in
I
half
mean,
even
if
too.
I'm really like detailing, boom, 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 I can only really do about 3 or 4 cars a day until I'm just
Beat.
Yeah. And because I mean, imagine doing like 3 cars a day by yourself.
Yeah, I do 2 by myself, like my own 2, and I'm like done.
I have 3 of these, and my little brother will help me if I have 3 cars. I'll just go pick up my little brother at my mom's house.
Oh, that's dope. That's
Because I live
dope.
by myself, so.
Yeah, this is really similar to the setup that I'm using too.
So you do detailing too?
Just like at my house, I got the Ryobi with a stubby and the Uber Flex, pretty much.
I want an Uber Flex.
Yeah, and then
This was gifted to me. It's a really long hose, but I don't have a hose reel, and it's already.
Yeah, the Uber Flex is actually not as convenient as you think, even without until you have a hose reel, I'd say.
I don't think you can. Yeah, see.
Oh, shoot. Damn.
And what happens if that starts to rip is it'll create a hole.
Yeah, it's just gonna leak out of it soon.
Yeah. So once that starts ripping, it's game over, but it's not ripped yet.
Yeah. Man, best of luck though.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, this is really cool. Thank you for showing me the setup. I like it a lot. Look at these bolts.
But if it's onto the car meet, $40.
$40.
Yeah, $20 is like the car meet discount. Because I'm already here. I'm fully mobile, so normally $20 per gallon.
This header job compared to the 350Z header job. Dream.
Bro, I look at that and I'll be like,
Bro, half the 350Z header jobs I've seen, they are like halfway put that last bolt in. And I'm like, you just have a exhaust leak for no reason, I guess. Way up front too. Yeah. Ooh. That's pretty cool with what they got, man. Very original. One of the red ones.
one day I was coming to work in my Honda, not Honda, but the Honda. And it was like real cold out.
Yeah.
I had this
I want to look at this RSX. Oh yeah. Yeah, some Charger tried to race me in the end today, and I was like, or Challenger Charger, man. Some old cop car. I was like, I ain't about to race in all this traffic, but I would have spanked them. Yeah. Base model, yeah, it's a base model Charger.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure.
What's up, Clarkson?
I like that Cadillac. Yeah.
Some people paint got damaged, so I tried to paint over it, but it got too damaged.
It's better than what most people do. They just leave it on top. Around.
Oh yeah, fuck that.
I've ridden in
G-force.
I've ridden in a few cars. You guys
Look how like simple the interior is. Like all the knobs and everything. It's just like, I like it a lot.
I'm posting that. Remember, it's gonna be 2 minutes on at least one.
You can put another motor in there. All that space. It looks so easy to work on, man.
This yours? No. I wish.
Laptop Civic with a sequential gearbox. That's sick. Yeah, this one's getting a little tighter than the other ones we've seen. Still looks easy to work on.
Nobody knows how to drive no more. I need some excitement in my life. I mean, I'm just trying to feel the city.
guys are manual. They're rolling back. Look at that. Hell yeah. Dude, I love this Integra.
I love the color most of all.
Yeah. Yeah. Big fan.
If you would see my cars in Need for Speed, that's how one of them.
Bro, one of my cars in Need for Speed looked exactly like that. I'm pretty sure it was like my Lotus Elise that looked that color.
Bro, which Need for Speed do you like?
Most Wanted is probably like the one I think of most fondly. Yeah. Yeah.
That was my favorite one too. Underground and Underground 2.
Underground 2, Most Wanted. Yeah, those are like the few that I really, yeah. Those turbos sound nice. We're just chilling, and in the night there's like 2 people here. Oh hey everyone, just pulling out of the show now. It was a very good time. I had a chill time seeing our buddies, kicking it, and yeah, just hanging out. It was good. Had some good conversation. It's been a minute, so it was nice. But we are headed home now. The storm is catching up to us. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out. It was a pleasure. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.